Dolphins are more than just playful creatures. They possess a complex social structure that rivals our own. Did you know they have unique whistles that function like names? Each dolphin has its own signature call, allowing them to communicate and maintain relationships. They're also incredibly intelligent, using tools like sponges to protect their snouts while foraging on the ocean floor. But there's more. Dolphins exhibit behaviors that suggest they experience emotions similar to ours. They can show empathy, helping injured companions and even grieving for lost ones. And let's not forget their incredible echolocation skills, allowing them to navigate and hunt in murky waters with astonishing precision.